So this is just landed today, 2015 Mini Cooper, John Cooper Works convertible coupe in like a beautiful ivory cream with upgrade wheels. We'll offer a price match within 60 miles. We can give you 3.99 finance rates. It's actually came in part exchange against the red Mini John Cooper Works. He wants the benefit of having 2 more extra seats in the back. It's really nice condition. Obviously it hasn't been cleaned yet. It's only been in 5 minutes, so it's very fresh. Now I'll give you an example. £10,000 over, he says, over 5 years, over again, is £199 a month. We'll take part exchange, nationwide delivery, and we do pride ourselves on getting these things really nicely detailed. Inside, we've got heated leather seats with a red trim. As you can see, it's had 25,000 miles with full history. I'll list all the spec. It's going on sale today. Sorry it's mucky, but I do like to get them up for sale. Speak soon.